Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Ready and start. Appeals by special leave against those judgments were filed, and in three such appeals it was noticed by a three-judge bench of this court that there was a conflict between Chalapan's case and another three-judge bench in M. Gopal Krishna Naidu versus State of Madhya Pradesh 1968 within bracket 1 SCR 355 and directed that the papers in the three appeals be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice for reference to a larger bench. Full stop. These appeals were thus referred to the Constitution Bench, and all other similar appeals and writ petitions were also placed before the Constitution Bench for disposal. Full stop. The arguments advanced on behalf of the government servants on the pleasure doctrine in England is a part of the special prerogative of the crown and had been inherited by India from England and should, therefore, be constructed strictly against the government and liberally in favor of government servants. Full stop. The second proviso, which withdraws from government servants the safeguards provided by clause within bracket 2 of article 311, must be also similarly constructed, otherwise great hardship would result to government servants, as they could be arbitrarily thrown out of employment, and they and their dependents would be left without any means of subsistence. Full stop. Stanza. There are several stages before a government servant can be dismissed or removed or reduced in rank, namely serving upon him of a show-cause notice or a charge sheet, giving him inspection of documents, examination of witnesses, arguments, and imposition of penalty. Full stop. An inquiry starts only after a show cause notice is issued and served. Stop. A show cause notice is thus preparatory to the holding of an inquiry, and even if the entire inquiry is dispensed with the giving of a show cause notice and taking of the explanation of the government servant with respect thereto are not excluded. Full stop. It is not obligatory upon the disciplinary authority to dispense with the whole of the inquiry. Full stop. Depending upon the circumstances of the case, the disciplinary authority can dispense with only a part of the inquiry. Full stop. Stanza. Imposition of penalty is not a part of the inquiry, and once an inquiry is dispensed with, whether in whole or in part, it is obligatory upon the disciplinary authority to give an opportunity to the government servant to make a representation with respect to the penalty proposed to be imposed upon him. Full stop. The secretary to the Ministry of Labor, Government of India would apprise this court within 1 year of today about the compliance of aforesaid directions, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस, एडिटोरियल, जनरल एंड लीगल। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।